Hafidhahullah, who expressed his views. Although getting independence is a very cumbersome job, but to retain and sustain this freedom is much more tougher than independence. Now, I would like to call Mr. Muhammad Nabeel from class 3rd to come on the stage and present his speech. Mr. Muhammad Nabeel.
حامدا ومصليا ومسلما أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I, Nabeel Ahmed Khan, congratulate this great gathering in my personal capacity, having a historic day today. Dear audience, let us pay tribute to the brave souls who sacrificed their lives and fought valiantly for the freedom that we cherish today. Respected guests, today Pakistan is all set to celebrate its 76th Independence Day. On 14 August 1947, Pakistan got its freedom, ending in almost 200 years British rule in the subcontinent. This cunning nation came with the pretext of trade and made us slave for 2 centuries. Dear listeners, we shall not forget the sacrifices of our forefathers. I must salute them. They deserve a great pat. The gigantic leadership of Muhammad gathered the scattered Muslims of some continent under one umbrella. The dedication, hardships, and sacrifices compel these infiltrators to leave the subcontinent in an embarrassing situation. Dear guests, although getting independence is a very cumbersome job, but to retain and sustain this freedom is much more tougher than independence. I must say this thing with a great sorrow that we all are passing from a very difficult era. The corruption, nepotism, favoritism, selfishness, and above all, the law and order sacrifices have made the existence of my beloved country in danger. Respected audience, our reputation at the international arena because of our deeds has compelled the international community to downgrade my green passport, which is my identity. It is a matter of shame for me that I am not respected in this world. My leaders are begging everywhere. So in this way, should be I respected? No, it's impossible. Dear guests, now this is the responsibility of each one of us to stand and make this reputation better. Work hard, be sincere with this nation, make our country economically strong. We must stand on our own feet. We have to ensure justice with this nation. Remember, elect good, honest, and religious people in the coming election and make this nation a stronger one. I am confident that inshallah that day is not far away, that instead of asking, we will be in position to give. Let us promise that we will be more sincere with this world, more than ourselves. I am concluding my speech with these few lines. Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery of sages. None can with it compete. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its forests are green, pretty, and a source of prosperity. So let's for it work hard, and for its safety be on guard. Thank you.